So this is one of the most important drills to develop rotation of your standing leg. So first put your weight on the left leg, high hip on the right, and now focus on your thigh, hip, and rib cage rotation as you bring this leg in. Open, close. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and stay here, come back, if you like here, this way, turn out this foot. Now make sure your starting position is the right position, high hip, open that thigh, and I'll really swing this as much as you can. 1, 2, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now do the same, lift your leg up, attitude position, and now as you lift your leg up, try from here, lift your high hip, and change your pendulum forward, and do this exercise. 1, and 2, like pushing forward with your hip. 1, and 2, excellent, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And now exactly the same exercise, you're gonna do a circle with your hip. So from high hip, push this hip forward and rotate. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Same on the other leg. Excellent. Yeah, turn out your front foot. More. Right. Very good. Very good. Use support here and go 1 and 2 rotations, and same time use this bar to get yourself higher. Bring your chest up. Tummy stays in all the way through this exercise. Yeah, and this foot shouldn't be pivoting. Just keep it as it is. Yes, only muscle rotation. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 more. 6 and 7 and 8. Now attitude, leave this foot here and now push your hip forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with the circles. And 1 and 2 and 3 and like a scooping circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Why I need to do this? Because anytime you take any type of step, especially in cha-cha-cha, as you get here, you have that feel of that hip pushing through with that circle and with the massive twisting action to lead you to the next step. So try that. Just go right leg forward, walk. Okay. Yeah, push through with that hip, and now use it for your twisting action. Go. Okay. Walk, twist. Walk and stop here. And now from here, use that back leg to push that hip through forward. 1. Yeah, okay. Just doing that forward exercise. Front, 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 and then you can get massive rotation. Go forward, push this through. Okay. Walk and go cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha, lock. Push that hip.